Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Maria and today I'm going to go over the assigned readings and videos for this week. So this week's focus was on flipped classrooms, so I'm going to go ahead and start on my presentation. So you may be asking, what is a flipped classroom? What does a flipped classroom look like? Traditionally, we have seen teachers lecture in class and assign practice problems as homework, but in a flipped classroom, online video lectures are assigned as homework and practice problems are done in class. By changing the order of lecturing and homework, the flipped classroom changes the traditional setting where lecturing and practice takes place. This rise in implementing flipped classrooms has come from instructors rethinking ways in which they can use their time in class more efficiently. So by digitizing lectures, they present multiple times a day. Teachers are able to open up more time to practice inside the classroom. Many benefits to flipping the way the traditional classroom is set up. The flipped classroom design allows students to really take their time understanding the assigned content. Students are able to pause and rewind and really work under their own conditions and needs. In one of the assigned videos for this week, we got to take a close view at Clintondale High School, the first high school to fully adapt the flipped classroom into their teaching curriculum. Before implementing the online video lectures as homework, half the freshmen were failing English, math, and science, and overall the school was ranked at the lower 5% in the entire state. After implementing the flipped classrooms, however, the school was able to reach a 90% graduation rate along with an 80% college acceptance rate. Through this significant case study, we are able to see how the flipped classroom design can benefit students and their academics. This same video also shared the academic journey of a specific student who went from a 2.5 in freshman year to a 3.5 GPA by senior year, which is a significant improvement. Through the student's experience and the increasing graduation rates from Clintondale High School, we can clearly see how the flipped classroom teaching design can impact student academics. By assigning lecture videos as homework, students are able to come to class more familiar with academic content and are able to engage in conversation and group work more easily. With an increase in access to technology resources, videos are accessible everywhere, even on your phones. In addition, these videos may also serve as tutoring aids for students that might not otherwise receive tutoring. So for example, a parent from Clintondale shares that these online videos lectures helped make her job easier as well, since she didn't remember the math that her child was learning. When her child needs help, he can just refer to the videos for aid. Specific experience from a parent made me realize that there are thousands of other parents that might have similar issues, especially those from low-income areas. With significant achievement gaps between low-income and high-income students, the flipped classroom may help promote achievement by prepping students for in-class activities and then providing resources they can always refer back to whenever they need extra assistance. By lecturing at home and practicing their skills in class, students will now be able to intake knowledge at their own pace and receive one-on-one attention from teachers who are experts in their subject fields. I am very excited to see many institutions implement flipped classroom methods, and with technology accessibility being at its all-time high, it's great to see the rise of new teaching methods that could potentially allow all students to excel.